Yo ho me hearties, welcome back to another video from Pirate Family Fun and Learning. Today's the second part of what yesterday's video was, which was our very first video ever, the Play-doh surprise egg. These are the other activities that we did on our son's 4th birthday party, which includes a My Little Pony Piñata and My Little Pony Play-doh creation.
Okay, this is a giant one. Oh, I know what it is. Oh, it's a giant weirdy Play-doh tower.
Can you make all those ponies?
Yeah. I didn't make the different kind of Pinkie Pie. I didn't make the fabulous Pinkie Pie. Okay. Oh my gosh, I do not know how to put this all together. I do not know how to put this all together. How do we put this all together?
Oh my goodness, you're gonna make all those ponies.
Open up the inside. Let's open up the inside. Let's open up the inside. Open up the inside. Let's open up the inside. Oh my gosh. Adorable. Adorable? So adorable. Adorable. Okay. This is a extruder.
That's the extruder, huh?
The extruder. If you put Play-doh inside it, after you don't push out the Play-doh. So, let's put this all together right now. I'm making these screws for the tails. I choose green.
That's a good choice.
Pressing it all down.
Let me see if it'll go any farther. Where's that good?
That's good.
Okay.
Okay, now.
All right, we'll save that.
Kind of.
Now we have to put some of our color in here that we want for the eyes. So what color do you want the eyes to be?
Here.
Okay, now we'll put some on this side. Now what color do you want it to be? You want it to be Pinkie Pie?
Yeah, Pinkie Pie.
Okay, you open up the pink one. Can you help me squish it in both sides? Okay. Just spread it out here.
Spread.
Spread. Need some more on your side?
Yeah.
Here's some more Pinkie Pie pink. Now we're going to put the pony in. Get the pony in there.
Yeah.
Squish it in there.
Okay.
Okay.
Over. Squish all the main inside.
Okay. This is making the body.
This is making the body. Can we see if it's done?
Use this to cut it off.
Yeah, I just want to squeeze all the extra.
Okay, you do it. See if it's ready. Oh, Pinkie Pie.
And we need the cutie mark.
Okay, can I help you get her out?
Mhm.
Look at her eye. That's funny.
That's a funny eye.
Let's see about the other side. Oh, that looks better.
Let's call it Funny Pinkie Pie.
Funny Pinkie Pie. Here, let me try to get her to stay together here.
I got one for a tail.
Yeah, you got one for the tail. Then we needed one for her mane too. You want to put her tail on?
Is tail?
There we go. Beautiful. There's a beautiful tail.
I got the extruder on. The extruder is all pulled up. Okay, the extruder is not done squeezing it out. Still more coming out. A little bit more. Lots of mane. There's lots of mane.
You're right. That's beautiful.
Okay.
Okay.
Mane.
Put that on her mane. All right. Oh, that looks great.
That's
Look at that. Pinkie Pie's got a good hairdo. Now you can put her cutie mark on. Let's go and pick one out for her.
Let's see if the rainbow is ready. If it's ready, the rainbow is perfect.
That is perfect.
It
You
is
put that for a cutie mark. There you go.
Cutie mark.
Oh my goodness.
Okay. Okay. So I'm going to use the orange for later. Whoa. That's a giant.
What is
That's
that?
a giant My Pony. I think you hit it.
You think you hit it? Does it look like a nice piñata?
You got a nice tail, My Pony.
Thank you.
I'm going to hit you with a stick.
Show me your stick. Woo!
Mom, why do you have this rainbow stick?
I love that rainbow stick.
Yeah. Are you going to be fine if I hit you with the stick?
I'll be fine.
I did not see anything.
That's good.
Destroyed it. But that's what they're for, but I don't completely destroy this.
Woo! You can take out the blindfold if you want to see.
Are you done?
He's still hitting.
Can I?
Do you want to pull strings? Here, why don't you each pull one at a time? Pull another one. Pull again. Just pull it all the way.
Pull the
Pull
last
harder.
one all the way up.
Bye-bye, are
There
you
we go.
okay?
I'm doing great. Here comes my candy. Woo!
Oh, some more goody treats.
Woo!
Oh, goody treats.
Woo!
Are you okay?
I'm doing great.
Ah!
All my candy's coming out. Whee!
Ah! I was eating.
Oh my goodness. Nice.
And what of candy wrap?
You do. You want me to give you a bag?
Candy.
Okay.
Yeah, don't put it in a
Hey,
bag.
show me what a 4-year-old looks like. Let me see.
Yeah.
Happy birthday.